A quick guide to programming your TV remote.
Hello there, welcome to our quick guide to programming your TV remote. Today, we're going to show you how to find the correct code for your TV remote. It's a process that may seem daunting, but fear not, we'll guide you through it, step by step.
What are TV remote codes?
TV remote codes are unique numbers assigned to each television brand and sometimes specific models. They're used to sync your remote with your television so that you can control it. You need the correct code for your brand and model of television to program your remote correctly.
Where do I find my TV remote code?
The TV remote code is usually found in the user manual of your remote control or your TV. However, if you have lost these, don't worry. Many TV remote manufacturers provide code lists online. To find the correct code, search for TV remote code, followed by the brand and model of your TV or remote. Note down the code or codes that you find.
How do I program my TV remote?
Now that you have your code, it's time to program the remote. The general process is usually as follows. 1. Turn on your TV manually. 2. Press and hold the TV button on your remote. Sometimes this is also labeled as Setup or Program. 3. While holding the TV button, enter the code you found earlier. 4. Release the TV button. Some remotes will flash once or twice to indicate the code has been received. 5. Test the remote. Try changing the channel or adjusting the volume. If the remote is working, you've successfully programmed it.
What if my TV remote code doesn't work?
If the first code doesn't work, don't despair. Try the other codes you found for your TV brand or model. Some brands or models may have more than one code. Repeat the programming process until you find a code that works. If you're still struggling, consider contacting your TV or remote's manufacturer for assistance. They can provide the most accurate information for your specific model. And there you have it. That's how to find the correct code and program your TV remote. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll now be able to enjoy your TV time without the hassle of a non-functioning remote. Thanks for watching, and happy programming!